we're gonna do a little size comparison and sound thingy hoocher. So we're gonna do, this is a 5.56, right? 55 grain, 5.56, just a little training ammo. He's a little feller. And then this is 300 Blackout, right? So it's the same cartridge, just necked up to fit a 308 slug. Something like that. I may be wrong, but I think that's it. So this sucker's big and it moves slower than this guy, so it can get a little quieter. So we're gonna see what it sounds like unsuppressed and suppressed out of this bad jamma. So let's try that. All right, so here we go. Got 300 Blackout 10.5, and this is unsuppressed. Beefy, a little loud, okay? Now we're gonna slap on Dead Air Sam NS, okay, real quick. Slap him on. All right, let's try that out. Sounds pretty good.